These little sayings are directionals. We use them in church, you know, please be seated, please kneel, please stand. We use them all the time. And in the prayer book, they're either e tu, e noho, and many others. Noho puku is silent. But these are more common ones that we use, asking people to do something. And one of the most common ones is me noi tato, let us pray. Beautiful. You could use that all the time. Whenever you're going into a prayer, whenever you're praying for food, you don't have to do the prayer in Māori, but you can introduce the prayer by saying me I noi tato. Ka wea te tato. E tu tato. Tato, as you know, is all of us, you included. When you use the word mato with an M, that's minus the people you are talking to. It's a good little recipe, that. When it's got M in it, it's minus the people you are talking to. When it's T, it's total. It includes everyone, the total amount of people in that hui or in that gathering. So ka waia ta tato means let us all sing, yourself included. So when you're giving the direction, you're including yourself. You've heard us use it, tēnā koutou, which is well you, or, you know, to you. Tēnā tātou katoa, you include yourself. E noho. Whakarongo mai, you've heard me use that quite a lot. Listen up. Titiro mai, you've also heard me using that when I'm running a video. Kōrero mai is a nice one. When you're trying to get people to participate in a conversation, or you're doing a round table or something like that, or someone would like to say something, they're not quite sure if they want to say it, or they feel maybe not quite confident to say it, then if this is a nice way to say kōrero mai. It doesn't always mean speak up. It means, yep, tell us, tell me. Kōrero mai. Whakaro mai is share your thoughts. Whakaro mai. So often people will sit there and they're silent right throughout the whole thing. Sometimes you need to encourage them. Share your thoughts. Whakaro mai. Kōrero mai. Turi, you don't want that being said. It was said a lot when I was a child. Yeah, but it's still said, even with adults. Kia kaha, beautiful, lovely. So again, this might be someone who's normally quiet in a gathering, or, you know, and you're trying to encourage them. So you go, kōrero mai, kia kaha. Lovely expression of encouragement. Kōrero mai, whakaro mai. Pause for a moment. Kia kaha. Huri here. Yeah, that's a great expression as well. So it doesn't literally mean to turn around. Often it's to refer back to. Ko huri here. Taku kōrero. So I'm going to go back to what I was saying. But it is about turning direction. Kapia, close, that's also used in prayers. Kapia te tātou hui, close this hui, me I noi tātou. Kia mahaki, you don't want this kind of said to you either, really. But if you were encouraging somebody in a one-on-one, you know, they were being quite brash, You want to sort of settle them down a little bit and quieten them down. Kia maha ki, be humble. Kaua e whakahihi, that's used in the public arena as well as in the private arena. And it does need to be said sometimes. Karanga mai, lovely. Karanga mai might be, you know, there's people hanging around at the gate, or there's people not sure what they're doing, and somebody notices them, and somebody says to you, well, what shall we do? And I'll say, karanga mai, ngā manuhiri, karanga mai. So call them, tell them to come.